I thought you were going to come earlier.
Y'all did good.
Oh, this is so nice, guys. I'm so happy. Thank you, Nicholas and Toy. Introduction. Give me a S, S, S. Give me a P, P, P. Give me a I, I. Give me a C. To the E. Oh, and he name Grace Hamilton.
A little poor girl from Old Burton
Used to walk the ride and know me by van. From $0 to about couple million. St. Catherine High School, me get me education. Now lie, me go through no. Up, time. Oh, oh, oh. My kids set up this for me. Oh. Used to walk the ride and know me by van. From $0 to couple million. Nah lie, me go through no separation. Bundles that I was a homeless woman. Granddad said Gracie come live in England. Fun to give me the first mic in me and my show still at 16 bar with Ninja Man. Run to a baby shine. You make me get the first hit song. He's a girl in a fight over. After that I know fits with cable mention. The father follow me, he was with inspiration. Used to make me DJ like Nuts the veteran. Give me a S. P, P. Give me a R. Let me talk about ramping shop. The color we put me on the world map. Cause you used to carry me in a taxi on him lap. That's why me I say cause until we break stop. The album I do from 2009. So VP can't fix it. Me clap me mind. I'm so happy. Better than no fun and no fun. Give me a hug. I love you guys so much. Oh, you got me son. Nicholas and the kids, them come close, that's why. Okay. And 10 album out now. Get it, guys, stream it.
Oh, opening time. Pick anyone you want.
No, open on it.
Ow, my nails. What is?
Open.
Who is it from?
Nico.
Nico. What is?
I don't know. Oh, you need a knife. Real quick. Hold on. Need a knife.
See a small one next.
Where? Okay. Here you go.
What is the other?
Big iPhone man in a set with that headphone.
Wait, what money you use?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. I love it. Thank you. This is thoughtful. I love it. Tata, where you get so much money from?
You know about it, man.
I don't understand how I get so much money to buy so much things. Tata say, my daughter say, every year she normally give me a letter and a Kit Kat. So she saved her money this year. Because it's a big birthday. Ted is out. The kids are doing great. One more order this again. We're gonna get so much money. What is Ty?
Yeah, you have to look for yourself.
You guys, it's so thoughtful though. Everything you buy is so sweet, like so thoughtful. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is so pretty.
No problem.
This is sweet.
That's the wrong side.
No, it is. I love it. My own specialized Crocs Spice 10. My daughter gave me this.
Yes,
I love it. Yes, sir. I love it. Yeah. Oh yeah, make sure you buy your right size, you know. I love it. But who tell her to do them something, yeah?
We did it. We did it.
Oh.
Oh.
Whoa.
Wait.
So, wait, you order it?
Yeah.
love it.
You remember?
One more from Nico.
2 more actually. There's one after this.
I should put on a Bravo. Oh. 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 10. Me not just in pow. Thank you, Nico. Yes. One more in the crib. Oh.
Hold up.
Oh. Y'all, I should get ready for this. Where should I get dressed, Justin?
That's dope, let me see.
Why you never let me get
No.
dressed?
Sound like it's playing.
Why you never let me get dressed? Oh, it's an art. Oh. Oh, Nicholas.
Wait, let me show you.
Wait. Mind it drop. Let me see what. Let me see what y'all going with.
Wait.
Let me see. Nicholas! One of our first pictures together. This is so you guys gonna make me cry. Oh, Nicholas, thank you, baby. I love it. Look at you know how old you were there.
Young. Well, young.
I think you were 2 or maybe 3. I think you're 2. I love you, baby. Every what is this, Anna?
Wait.
Tell me, Awa.
Huh?
What is it? What is it?
Them no do equality, them see me as a quantity, them kill from city.
That man want your sanity. He must try mentality. Call the government, call the president. We need a lot to reinvent the world. Black lives matter, we are no accident. What is this, Anna?
Wait.
Tell me, Awa.
Huh?
What is it?
Them no do equality, them see me as a quantity, them kill from city.
That man want your sanity. He must try mentality. Call the government, call the president. We need a lot to reinvent the world. Black lives matter, we are no accident. Sorry, I'm more than one gift you get me.
Yeah, all them years me I get Kit Kat and right liquor.
Oh, Tara, that's so sweet. Oh, baby, you make me cry. I said, 100 years and me write me a letter.
Kit Kat and liquor.
Oh.
Yeah,
Give me
boomba.
a S.
S, give me a V. P, give me a I, give me a C. To the E.
Okay.
I mean name Grace Hamilton, a little poor girl from Old Burton. Used to walk big ride and know me by van from zero. And I had to walk up a million and
Mwah. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
You're gonna make me cry. This is so thoughtful.